Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on changing the control panel of your Thermomix TM31. This process requires specific tools and careful handling, so let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to prevent any parts from getting lost. 1. Unplug the Thermomix. Safety is our priority. Always unplug your device before starting any repairs. 2. Remove the base screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws at the bottom of the Thermomix. There are 4 screws that you need to remove. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. 3. Lift the base. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base of the Thermomix. Be cautious not to damage any internal components during this step. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. 4. Disconnect the wiring. Locate the wires connected to the control panel. Carefully disconnect them using your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the connectors. It's crucial to note how these wires are connected for reassembly later. 5. Remove the old control panel. With the wires disconnected, you can now remove the old control panel. It may be held in place by clips or additional screws. If there are screws, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. 6. Clean the internal components. Before installing the new panel, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the Thermomix. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to ensure everything is spotless. This will help maintain the efficiency of your device. 7. Install the new control panel. Take your new control panel and align it with the mounting points. If necessary, secure it with screws or clips. Make sure it fits snugly and is properly aligned. 8. Reconnect the wiring. Now, reconnect the wiring to the new control panel. Refer to the notes you made earlier to ensure that everything is connected correctly. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. 9. Reassemble the Thermomix. Carefully place the base back onto the device and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightened securely. 10. Test the new control panel. Plug your Thermomix back in and power it on. Check that the new control panel functions as expected. If it doesn't, remember we offer a quote before repair to determine the next steps. If you encounter any issues during this process or simply prefer to have a professional handle it, remember that we provide a hassle-free service with no calls and no travel involved. Our team can assist with any repairs you may need. With these steps, you should successfully change the control panel on your Thermomix TM31. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.